Hey everybody, are you interested in seeing how I take these impression trays and turn them into this, doing the most minimal work physically possible? In this video, I'm going to teach you. Check out this demonstration. This is a job that we all hate, is cleaning trays from Alginate. So basically this stuff is all dried on. You can see what it looks like. It's not coming off. I scraped some of it off with a knife, but I don't want to deal with it. So check this stuff out. It's a miracle to the orthodontic field. This stuff is called Cavex GreenClean. You just put 2 scoops of this in there, add some lukewarm water, let it sit, and let the magic begin. I just filled this up with water. I'm going to let them sit and soak and enjoy their little bath, and I'll be back to check on these soon. So this is after I put them in there at night and left them overnight, and this is the morning. This is about 10 hours later. I'm going to drain the chemical and rinse them off real fast. So I just strained the liquid, and this is what they look like. If you want to purchase this, please go to my Amazon shop. The link is in the description. You can check it out below. Remember, there's a new video coming up every Tuesday, 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. We will see you later. See you in the next one.